Starting up and commissioning your Forbes Marshall Pressure Powered Pump Package Unit, or PPPPU, requires careful preparation to ensure efficient and trouble-free operation. This video will guide you through the essential steps for a smooth startup process, whether you are working with a flash vessel or without. We recommended to install the Forbes Marshall PPPU along with a flash vessel if condensate flashing is expected when exposed to the atmosphere. The flash vessel ensures smooth separation of steam and the condensate. Before putting the PPPPU into operation, it's important to thoroughly flush the entire condensate piping circuit. This prevents dirt or hard particles from entering the pump internals, float trap, or check valves. To flush the system with a flash vessel, open the flash vessel drain line and allow the process condensate to flow through the drain. Continue until all foreign particles and contaminants are flushed out and clean condensate is observed. In setups where the process condensate is directly connected to the pump receiver, follow these steps to flush the system. 1. Remove the condensate strainer cap and screen from the pump. Flush out any foreign particles and contaminants. 2. Flush the motive steam or air line by removing its strainer cap and screen, ensuring clean motive media flows through. 3. Once flushing is complete, open the motive line isolation valve, but ensure that the motive media pressure does not exceed the value indicated on the pump's nameplate. 4. Verify that the motive line drain trap is fully operational. 5. Open the pump's condensate isolation valve to allow condensate to flow into the pump receiver and the pumping chamber. 6. As the pump begins to operate, you should hear an audible exhaust of steam or air at the end of each pumping cycle. This indicates that the system is functioning properly. Finally, observe the pressure gauge on the condensate return line. Ensure that the motive pressure is at 2 bar higher than the back pressure for optimal performance. By following these startup and commissioning steps, you can ensure that your Forbes Marshall pressure-powered pump package unit operates smoothly and efficiently. For more detailed information, refer to your user manual or contact Forbes Marshall for further assistance. Reliability starts with the right setup.